Foundation inspection. Check for cracks, settlement, or structural issues. Verify proper anchor bolt installation. Ensure foundation walls are plumb and square. Floor framing inspection. Inspect floor joists for proper spacing and alignment. Check for signs of sagging or deflection. Verify floor joists. Hanger installation. Ensure proper blocking and bridging between joists. Wall framing. Check wall studs for straightness and alignment. Verify spacing according to building code requirements. Inspect for proper installation of headers above openings. Ensure adequate bracing, especially in high wind or seismic zones. Roof framing. Inspect roof trusses or rafters for proper spacing and alignment. Check for signs of bowing, twisting, or damage. Verify proper installation of collar ties or ridge beams. Ensure adequate roof ventilation. Sheathing and subfloor. Inspect sheathing for proper installation and attachment. Check for gaps, buckling, or delamination. Verify subfloor panels are properly secured and supported. Connections and fasteners. Inspect all connections, including nails, screws, and hardware. Verify proper size and spacing of fasteners. Ensure all framing components are securely fastened. Windows and doors. Check openings for proper framing and flashing. Ensure headers are correctly sized and supported. Verify installation of sill pans or flashing. Plumbing openings. Inspect framing around plumbing penetrations. Ensure proper clearance and framing support for fixtures. Verify fire blocking where required. Electrical openings. Check framing around electrical penetrations. Ensure adequate support for outlets and fixtures. Verify proper clearances for electrical components. Fire safety check for proper installation of fire-rated materials. Ensure adequate clearance around chimneys and flues. Verify draft stopping is correctly installed. Accessibility. Verify framing meets accessibility requirements, including doorway widths and clearances for future fixtures and mobility needs. Inspect for structural damage. Check for cracks, splits, or shifting. Ensure all framing members are free from rot, insect damage, or decay. Document any structural concerns. Verify code compliance. Ensure compliance with local building codes and regulations. Compare the framing to approved plans and document any deviations. Professional consultation. Consider consulting with a structural engineer or building inspector for complex or critical framing issues that require specialized expertise. Safety protocols. Follow safety protocols and use appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, during the inspection to ensure inspector safety. Create a digital checklist. Use eAuditor audits and inspections to create a customized residential framing checklist. Organize items into categories like foundation, floor framing, wall framing, and roof framing for systematic inspection. Document with media. Attach photos, videos, and notes to checklist items during inspection. This provides visual evidence of compliance or issues that need addressing, creating a comprehensive record. Generate reports. After completing the inspection, review the checklist and generate detailed reports for sharing with clients or stakeholders. Use these reports to prioritize necessary corrective actions. Enhanced safety ensures structural integrity. Cost savings prevents expensive future repairs. Code compliance meets building regulations. Efficiency streamlines construction process. Documentation provides liability protection. Regular inspections during the framing stage are crucial for identifying structural issues early in the construction process. By implementing a systematic approach with tools like eAuditor, inspectors can ensure thoroughness, improve documentation, and ultimately deliver safer, more compliant residential structures.